Ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Mwanchumulia Ondizi TV ni mambiende ime yomurobere bwansakia emambi yabono ase omogani tonyete abero ikirna ime ye studio bene kare ange osanga 90 ase oboime igoro ya siasa chigendrete ime county ya Nyamira ananemono ime ye ward area ya township town abali otomati county Nyamira ni go omuchi onyamira ole ime ye ward area township aseigo nere bolitie county engima amagacho amange naboigo amagendro amange alia arengete county ya Nyamira asakoranga nigo ekere towni area koba geko gendra bose wode koba geko gendra nigo boigo kwabero kuna county ya Nyamira sigo nigo tubate omogani wengencho samoleta omweshimiwa Jackson Okero kurwase county ya Nyamira oyobeteka kwamerelia oborai wetera asekyama keria gya Jubilee kodi zarati asamange tyamingumurania asumurobiria wensakia emambia yabono wakire byo mweshimiwa
Wakirabia.
Karibu sana imiomorobero bwensaki mambia
Ina karibia asante.
Yes, so ndayimurilia Ondizi TV okorase mambia ya lero ingaki entangani. Tumanyango asi oboima aye ningo.
Nje mama Samuel Edangoro Jackson Okero Nyanumba. Igondo mwalimu by profession. Na raso miriji sema Kenya. Anakolete University 1990. Ngatumwa Siaya ngaboro for 4 years. Ngacha Nyamira County ngaboro for almost 10 years. Ngaru Nyamira County ngaenda Trans Nzoia. Ngaboro about 8 years. And ngaira na Kisii County. Arafu na jete Nyamira County ngaraboro for 1 year. Gavana eli ngoro ya Dereti Nyagarama na Ngetegas. Muna advises special programs. Unfortunately, agakuwa within that 1 year. One bidding irane back to the civil service. Sina renge. Karana irana nkanyoranga chikura chia era. Ninta ketene njeko tene na esenga njana roche window yure bitato na roche nga ambita kera bantu baitu ba township ward bakonyi.
All right.
So I had to resign before attaining my retirement age, but I had qualified for my benefits. Yeah.
Ele wiyaki gima karibu sana ime yomoroberio wensakia emambia yabono ime ya Ndizi TV. Askendo mwanchumulizi TV kwa wandara tuwatatengera na wakanda usangani tukerengele kia uterasu mtando ito Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital Sensemo area ya YouTube Ndizi TV News na wetera mtando www.ndizi
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Gochaso mwanchu muligirili bwe TV ya Ndizi TV mbiyemono asoko tochora kubekita sini kia uwanjete toma ujumbe ngayeli takuza gochase namba 15601 uwatia marago na gachora Ndizi TV koba egita sini kia ugie TV kio mwaka asama miranyo akuza awards 2024 SMS ye teliko na chakende Wigo na bugu wake kura yao wetera senchira yomtandao o www.kuzaawards.co.ke. numubogani ofanisi resort Nyangongo numubogani uratimuke wegokie na gusanga mune amatao wikabasani ime y'umubogani uyo nigoba bwate obokoli ubuya asaba kuri imbere mu babwata mazikanigoro n'amahariganyo y'obuzera cindagira bakoraisha nigo kire cintuntu muno asebo igoba bwate kirumucingiya ase oralire cindagire kiga mbabwate kinyumba cyo korara ejo kire cinkare kibwate bitande biya byarire buya nende cincanukerage mbabwate swimming pool asura ako pali buya kogendrete gusangamo nabalya bwanjete ime y'umubogani uyo nigoba bwate e wifi e tv ngiya asokwe gokya na kwene kibuna tuli gweterwa na kende gyonsi ekyo kiraso mtandao onye kubwate umuyigonde bwansi umusangerekano wasura bwenyangi mbabwata sura akorera umuyigoyo asobo toherera ubwigoro mono mbabwate bwigetiyekiya asabana bakogosoreri na onye gwanjete massage aiganao tutarire rero eryubwero leraya onsi ayewiko munyene twakere simi usego talira chinsamo chito chemitandao Ufanisi Resort, a good place to be.
Spexels Opticians abo barase kliniki kya gudika imeyomo chokisi nguro bare obokoreri au burengeta maiso nigo bakonia ebirore na korenga maiso wetera chi machine chekerero chubumanyi bwegoro bono nkwanchira bareti insurance ikobwatia AAR GA Insurance area ya Liason Eagle Africa Kenyan Alliance Pioneer Insurance Lucent Health Amoneria ya Star Discovery.
Karibuni Spexels Opticians Goodka Clinic Kisii Town. Hii ndio kliniki bora ya macho pekee yenye mashini za kisasa na za uwezo wa hali ya juu. Tuko na madaktari professional kabisa kama Daktari Sigei na tunafanya free eye test.
Mimi ndiye Daktari Sigei. Hapa kwetu Spexels Opticians tunazo frames na lenses mbalimbali. Lenses ambazo zinasaidia katika kutatua shida mbalimbali za macho kama vile kutoona mbali, kutosoma maandishi za karibu na hata kupunguza mwangaza.
Asomo chokisi nigo bagotoka angene dukene ne obonchoreria ya Shivling Supermarket na boigo ebenki ya KCB. Mabwate boigo eduka imeyo mocho Nairobi asama gacho a Balfour House, Kimathi Street, Mbarabare na Java House. Asamanke onye koganetie konyora obokoreri asomo chokisi bakire simi wetrase namba 0110505501. Noria otageto obokoreri imeyo mocho Nairobi na boko bakire simi ase namba 0110001333. Spexels Opticians, macho bora kwa wote.
Ndizi TV, obwansu bw'omugusi.
Mwanchumulilia Ndizi TV tosabo kwaberwa asingi njuko burukana kwa maliogi askunneto ndito usanga nere umushimiwa Jackson Nyanumba yoberokana ime studio emambi yabono kale anyabene kusangana inchu na kumulikira igoro sesa nabo iko amagendero agendrete ime ye county ya Nyamira tanda sumutimuko mushimiango kuwana datwarenge anana mono igoro ya yagendrete ime county ya Nyamira ase obwenge ekerugulinga narali yagendrete ime sesa nabo iko amagendero ime county ya Nyamira.
Tiganda chakira amagendero ikiagera essentially mwana siasa kende siasa kitakara goche sawandu bamwawe gata itucho bakoregas ekara tolesko gaiga bindombire tokorora twairanga bigucho korekane birira isanda lakini ekara kwa soira ofisi kwanyoranga challenges njiroro kwa mfano kara nari kurigeria a budget ya Nyamira County chiwa stigo joro is about 7 billion. As a chiwa almost 5 billion achire se section ya recurrent totebe ng'ane emisara ebinto binde muno okoririe gobeka chigari amaguta. So that money is not filled by mwananchi. Wasanginga chibesi gotigara for amagendo is about 2 billion. This 2 billion chiamanya kobagwa to various projects, empowering project injire bakoronga flagship projects ne project injire bakobekanga echire chia God based projects. Unfortunately, issues chia management na chia come in. That's why osanginga karokende chiwe chikuru na robichi nyinge echigo cha initially chara bekwe misara. Chirichie chi project cha kawe choma, like now we are in the month of May. Next month we are coming to the end of our financial year. Chipara chia kole Munyamira kwa mfano, if I may pick that one, it's a ward yetu ya township. Parade ya lemiru naona yamo other than echibacha get recently na ende barule excuse kiembura. So ngo ikatole month of June tuchaka another financial sanginga pare injiri complete, and if they are complete injikoli to the standards. Lakini ende se system ye county government erona very established here, because I was fortunate to work there for 1 year. Anyana wandu wale county assembly imbabwate paka experts wako wa advice. Kwa mfano yana mangane chipara mbabwate wa engineer. The executive nero ne wada wa engineer babo. So ekana mocho wale tawara ya waronge se county assembly yeito. Nonya mbaso ometi mbabwate ko disadvantage because mbabwate chi technocrat wako wa advice. Unfortunately, issues chinde chiara is chitali related to again the watch order. Wasanginga demand chinjiroro asawanta wawaraya waitu. Kwa mfano, wasangia msiengu boli were ngalero mwana orwalire obeire ward chiwe sanjita keire echitali as part of the business ya chorete. Wasangia omo msiengo jale koligi kwa mangane school fees. Amanda wada barusia out of his pocket. Just create another problem. And so many other things. Chikani sanjita kitarambe, which is not part of the business yomo MCA. Paka wana yato kiranga omo MCA chole to akole representation, registration na oversight. Demands here, these are other demands. Chiagalire find other sources of income. Na sources of income, that's how one was sanginga corruption ya coming in. Was angel my MCA instead of doing oversight, Gakarego Takai we attend an executive so that you have a epo konyora some resources, agocha kwa and Havaya Kora Karawaja Komatavingo Mano, Ruale Confano, and Vindeka Video. Those are the challenges we have. But then, if they were doing their oversight properly, Chinageta the Jaro Kachuata Mariogo. Igo omuntu akera ruera ale kurunya getari aiwa mariogo abuya naendeka. Igo to sangia msiego cha kusabwanga chive salendo omuntu weire wodi natakera we ave released chive asirigwe.
Umoja tore asensemo yaba MCA yatura mulikira litangani serikali ye county. Ekeruru chinga serikali ye county Nyamira neru tia saronge korokana nensemo yao.
From the feelings to the ground, serikali itone what challenges. Awanda wange mbawata a lot of hopes asomo governor ito Nyalivo. Especially those of us who were in Asmio. We expect that you akole buyamono wetanya garama the rate. Ekiara for one in understand Nyagarama for almost 10 years. Na understand the system we county government na my the challenges chiroro. I go for him to implement this implementation ya wende jako very easy because no montolenge traroke insider. Unfortunately, akarogo tumia at the ward ya township kwa mfano. Nere. A ward ya township go ya mwete chikura 4,400. Akaridi vituo byonse pia except one. Gekoro kunyangoso. Ase ngenjo the current MCA na arwete na ende tarenge se kambu yaya. Meaning inga abantu mbamwakirete chikura. Tinta ite ko bese group ile gotebanga na ibete chikura. Njenda ite ko bese group ile gotebanga na akirete chikura because for one ase ngenjo barenge no yo minto Nyagarama orenge ho West Mugirango. For Nyagarama to win na mo support. So abantu abamwe abanyagarama mbafire tinga egavana yeito ne gwenda kwa support to reciprocate the support he had given us earlier on. But now our expectations injiri met. One, kwa mfano abantu bamenyete township na bale bonya matuta masaba chikrani jirie chererated in one way or the other. Ni take example kia nenje bwe kwa manyane. A family yeito nerere township where I am. The other family gere bonya matuta masaba. Meaning inga we are in two different wards. Abantu wenda kwa treated separately. Tuchagere agenda number 1 ya kolete is appointment. Chigodi jetu kuna jire 20. At least township qualified to be given one position jire senior executive yaya. Anyatale gotobu minister na wenda gotobu chief officer. Lakini akalige monto yomo oyole the current MCA otalengenere. Akaigi no chikura 4,400 agaitia abantu ba township free tabaiti kenda. Tokoruga hapo even the municipality which is within the township ward. The senior most person in Onyole Neko from Kiabonyor ward incidentally a part of township. Tali from the locality area Korokunge a ward ya township. Igali from Kiabonyor ward. As a chair device a chair. Walia wachora ende ale gwene kwa ward ende nga koli ward ya bantu bali bamwete chikura muna ruta akolete. Ntubu atimo ko township boyo tu ayibwa torro onzaliko yo minto nere no muntu muyale kyano yo ito abantu bali baminto bagole township ward. So essentially na yaro chiolengo umuntu bano olenge ko represent township ward. Unfortunately na atige gashye iyo. Nturara muntu ali presiri as a township ward. Oisego icha as a public service board. Ntubu atimo ndo ko township as a public service board. So if township board is accused because of many evils to county government, igotora ebanda bora ni fair which is a township board. Unfortunately, abantu ba township board na barabo, we thought that we could have a better leadership kubwa umuntu bajorete. Unfortunately, the majority thought the young man can do better. In his business representation, wana tima ije karakole derwa marieta as a county assembly baiti una chi minister osechi chief officer onyore rieta rese ward ya ago achorire ako represent monto eta iyo tima eti what kind of representation is there.
Aina ngori umweshima twanda takunya kuigori kigima asipendo rabe koko nganjera tande azomo timoko oromo katora siomia asikiduka ntochikoira na anamon na kumulekera amange na bwo goswa asobo ime igoro ya siasa na bwo magendero ase ewoda ya township to basa uska mwanchu mulezi TV kwena tore ase kagetari ege tambe.
Ndizi TV Obwansu Bwomogusi. Je, una wapendwa walio nje ya nchi na wangependa kukuzawadi kwa kukutumia hela?
Pata hela mara moja kwenye simu yako kwa kuwashauri kutuma kupitia TapTap Send, ambapo watapata $20 wanapotuma zaidi ya $50 kwa mara ya kwanza kupitia TapTap Send wakitumia promo code Ndizi TV. Download TapTap Send kutoka Google Play au App Store. TapTap Send. Send more, spend less.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omuguzi.
Moncho muriria ondizi tito kwa nevene ase enchunda yende ime yomoroverio wensa kia imambia ya bona standa to sanganere mheshimiwa Jackson Nyanumba kurwa ase county ya Nyamira uyo beteka kwa meriria ekerokego MC kolende chigake yake abeta kwa meriria obo MCA we ward area township atanda to sangana intwe amange na mono ayarengeche amagendro na siasa chi county area ya Nyamira na boigo ase woda ya township. Mheshimiwa wabeire kwanira anene mono ingana yaba MCA koranga ikiagaso kia ekenenego kia linge asense media yobo MCA tingo turakwanira anene mono igoro yaba MCA baregeti abokoreri bwabo ense media yokumurikira oversight ya serikali akiroche bagenda takore mirimo yabo babeire bakomochigwa ase kugenda burire no mugabana kira gukwanira ngane
awa MCA waito na honesto umira nankali na wadavinga co-work ne governor is not a mistake. Muna one of the candidates vo governor wadavinga wakali kwa visho urangeti ana wadavinga mbe visho urangeti na governor soronga zio watabe vishimitwe. Why was I saying that? As a county got two arms of government. The county assembly and the executive. For development to take place in a county, the executive needs the county assembly and the county assembly also needs the executive. Igotora kora makosa kotebanga wa county assembly members are not supposed to work with the governor. Mbabu enatego kora ne governor as long as interest chawa na inji waliwe county ito ya Nyamira chile taken care of. Unfortunately for our current governor, our MC abange ba irete chikura. Mbali batenge sichikambu chindi batari komo support. Oh no, even from day one, because they were iso opponents. Mbachi koira nga ba chikura chialire, wanu babera ba MCA, tigawa ikaranse ne governor no nyamba mo supported. Or find a way forward, yokoleta magendra se county ito ya Nyamira. So, part 3, that's one of the problem we have. Lakini rende. Aba MCA aba, weshokoligeli se budget yabo. And a very clear living to what I get in various parts of the county. One issue was jara isinga, na wali gete binte ibuya. Lakini mbiro chikainese ground. Wasangi na warawe bago jasiko gaiga go complaining amalia gota inyagetali. Na se budget imbawe gete chibesa chia maliogo. Na ende na ase their roles na work oversight. Mbawe ende kwanda inyagetali chicheito. We find out why amaliogo ayata igoto kororo and yet na re budgeted for. Is it possible nga maybe chibesa chibekire se budget ya maliogo igochire chinke na amaliogo iyo maybe awenda kwa budget for 1 year chibesa wege toro chire chikora maliogo for 2 months. So was hanging at the remaining part of the year maliogo itaki koreki taigo to koro oseno wana karaje te bono bako boga maliogo bisini ni bitaigo sana chinyagitari. Abantu bakoenda 1 week ya malio akoleki aile. So if they are if maybe in their business your oversight ba find out from abanyagetari baito amanya why amalio yata ikoboranya ni chibesa finance yetaisa ini bamente nturaro rese batebire ng'a chibesa ni chingechire baragwe gento bagocha batatebia ase mitora matanga ngeringa amalio gotenyageta ng'aige gabana ya ferire nturochi issue ya mariogo ere part of the impeachment ya batagete gukora because there must be a question mark chipara kwa mfano abantu bali bamenyete township bali keen other than chipara chia kura that's Kenya up and loads authority muna jiri kubekura mu Malia na maybe projects still funded by the World Bank since 2020 always was anga para yana kole mu township board ne county government direct na resources jiri kubekura wese go fire go muna kwa mfano that one time this totaranda campaign MCA there ngevira kite bikale magwawa bagambire na gavana ngoja vile township tukaenda chikura tukakora chikura vile kite imitaje township meaning inga funds chia vege tu for para that time njia kole daga CS township board if that one can be replicated yes ward chinde it means that inga magandraji para ta kole tu for the entire financial year almost 2 financial years lakini rende ngo igutorenga maybe some other places para njia ndatako kulima because there is the issue of maybe not being fair some parts of the world county depending on MCA agabo orientation ya NLL in terms of support which is a governor.
All right. Mheshimiwa Ndochinga na bantu banda tukuwa tumurobiri bensa kimambi ya bono Ndochinga Moses Ochara tebanga kindly pass my greetings to Mheshimiwa Jackson Yanumba on behalf of our future hope in township tuned in. Ndochinga Rebecca Bochere oinatebanga kuru Hafal Albertini pamoja Ndochinga Evangelist Saulin Glorious no hali memorobiri bensa kia Dennis Mukaya tuned from Aljon Nubal Qatar. Nochowego Victor Omondo miyenda kurwa Nairobi East aigati nkomocha pi alia ahando chowego Judith Hill good morning have a good week ahead ndo chowego Kirandi Dennis kurwa Alse County area yana kortabanga ako tuned ndani ime yomoroverio wensa kia emambia ya bono umushimo kwa biro kwanera amange ekeroko bagukurigiria abakoreri wo mu MCA ward ya township nakira bego kwanera wikira bono yakurwa chorwa obere wikirania amagendo nabo yego chira chira beta yakoriera abamenyi be county area Nyamira nemono ase ward ya township.
I think to his credit obakorere gasingiye se bintu biri bitari related na MCA kobera abantu abamwe abange kagia matanga kwenda chinge kitari korra abantu abarwere kare barwere abantu bamindu ba township na probably kugorere bijana bite chae ekare bamire ne hotel lakini akaroko genda into his specific roles chirikia county kwa mfano township abantu bangi baroro ne business community mbaro omowolinga asa abantu abakorere gasi let me pick example kuna sakuru kunga sifring yali town yeito chicho chie county njiri chichiroro is it turunga for the last 7 years tanya koranga saa hiyo tabwati choche county kwa mfano ngwaro yo minto nyambati o complaining asigo Nyamira gari ole issue chonjio but you see chicho eche kwa gachu somewhere town yetu ya Nyamira saa ange sale ne migondo y'abantu igire private property other than the market yetu ya Nyabite sasa chiwa siri nyinge chigo che county nango bona era buno mu MCO township ngobeka barengese budget some funds chigole migonda around township for social amenities nebindeka birende muna wana when I was doing my campaigns abantu nale ko address nale ko davinga migondo te bole town ye no ene duke ane building ane ngaji tai kor kusifring is also mugondo kyaro monda choko ngaji basingia na bongo na ale kumo common as an example igo wana ntai gutumi excusing amigondo te yo Nyamira emigondo nero it's only planning. If the county government can set aside some 30 million kwa mfano, a plot on average in Nyamira now is costing, let's put it at 3 million, chirichire main road, 5 million, chirichire maega, 1 million. You are talking about 10 pieces, 50 per 100 or 100 per 100. Tutu aliji project, naona wasabanda, wachi wakali wakubekwa, facilities which were provided, also comprehensively, those things people are taken care of. That's one item. Ntobuate vocational training centers. Une tobuate bomondaria, etanya colegas. Ntobuate yende bundu, etanya colegas. Lakini soko andese kirao na wote bunga, budget neve kiroro. Abali mumbaro. Lakini what is the purpose of having a vocational training center? Tabuati equipment. That was one area to atagetenga. Muna wana tobuate tolera kinga tobuate minisai tokorusi mkuarara tokurwania mangana university eche township entrara kusinera ororo lakini nde wiyopunga nevo lakini onyata ko the easiest way the county government yale ko collaborate na the national government bagambe noyo minto machogu nonya wese mugirange bwate vocational training center eri karamu baga maate tutware ma within township asengenje tutaite town yetu ya Nyamira kine
Mwishimu kwa wate banga emeroberio eria ye tarabaga wikirani ngakyura go kwanera igoro ya mangana kegera obochenumbo bose health nera sense ya moye serikali ya county abo yo nemeremo yomo MC kwa kinga obochenu bwabere gogo kini wa asekerengo ime county area ya Nyamira se award area yare award ya township asichinse mo chinyagitane chi dispense ngakyura wate babo koleli boro
township otobwate Rivara Hospital. We have another facility where Trarkende dispensary. Lakini essentially abantu abange ba township yo maetenga Nyamira ifaro. No bagocha. Na ende mbanalete data ya tendency nga wende goche se town. Tali kwanda kujiriserve second se abantu batali. So that's why nayo tebanga kwa mfano nyamba we set aside some money. Muna wana naro chese project chese their budget current budget mbata yete kwa gaje dispensary Nyangoso primary school. Unfortunately wale mwa primary school igo wale under the national government. They want to go and get a part of the primary school rand bagaje nyageta when they have all the money wa wende ko wale brought within that area bagaje nyageta. But get 4 million euro lakini ndara nyageta yose yachire. Essentially ebinte binge bikole township omo MCO yoito igale beneficiary ya former governor. Sengenje governor yamenyeta within township ward. Na ende na arwete na no sebonya matuta lende na nyakale bonya matuta masawa renu najitaka kwa township na they was part of it akachakinya gitali akanyagitali nkale munaona SIDA agasole matalia and I think that is the only one to what dispensary within township ward nchira isana and then chisana amalio gaita kola diki. So we still have challenges. That's why usangia abantu abange banyamira bakwenda side ya Bomet abandi bayicha Kisii County wacha kurwali gororo ekero umuntu aruri Nyamira akire Kisii County kurwali gororo wamanya gutwara issues to do with payment ndekero umuntu akwa discharge dingese ngabende wakanira aiga na wono usangi munda wateka advantage nga umuntu amurwiro abere discharged oli omurwiro omnajitaru nyagetari yarwari gworo turu amalio munyena abanyena bale kubura tamayitinga ngakia kurwari oja the last minute ya banga wana nero soireme for popularity issues lakini essentially atotakere tutwarenga abarwire wanyamira na ba township ward specifically tikabarwari within the facilities in the township, because if we are talking about abanyagitari abaito abanyagitari abaito bari trained like another doctor anywhere onya toko bakane misara because like now I think the budget ya county government eko department ya health asiwe siawa chinyinge na ndiwe za chinyinge chiko ande department ya health ali chiko anda kurua maliogo a lot of it chiko genda asamangana emisara meaning nga ntobu ati shortage ya banagitari nkirende yako gara toko irawa roira waito outside a ward ya township gose outside ya Mira County. Those are the issues ya bantu baminto bende kurigeria bato chora tumna barai anya na abanyagitari ntu asimunga abanyagitari mbali qualified tuko bwate jwe santo kuria abanyagitari bali qualified toliki which is not the case.
Ensemo yende boigo serikali ye county ne wende tukumurikira mangana yechitaya bose birobu ime yomuchi onyamira na boigo chinsemo autiria atire kibagikaine bositire asinse ye serikali ye county ensemo yoborabu bose chitaya na boigo chichiro ngakyora bokwanira ime ya wodi ya township magenda mbere ukira ni bubune bwendrate
tuara issues to do with yoborabu where township ward for a long time eta tuare amwe kolega sialimu kwa mfano ne mheshimiwa the former MP Wegetaria Kamosi na yokonya bantu ba that region around Sifri chita chia bego tuoro na former governor. I don't know what problem ba tuara mbali ko beke budget yo which maintain was angita anjiro lakini njiriga njiriwoka echitari woka because maybe the budget ya bege tuoro yo which maintain because this budget ya ko annually egendo bune nkebwende kuligeru lakini ende mbacha bagatema of late oborabu bwasoire korolekana mboro unfortunately wale ko maybe I don't know whether maybe whether iwakana asabantu bakenya power wasangita ichinza yine jikartiki njiriwoka na amache itunyamira ngonyoro issues kama tukanda tabwati amache kwatabunga na SBR estimate akoleteki itakanito so we have such challenges.
Echiro elia twenda sasemo yende wantu kwa ndobora ndokwanera echiro ya nyabite egwate banga nigerense ya township hakyoroche aro babere bakwemolekera kone kinga chinyomba chake barambu yachire enseme ya bonchele bakolero bonchele ya nkera na chinkwa gachu alenge yatakira otume kubiya bose yatakira kolemero amache naisane ngakyora kone rego echiro ya nyabite
ngaete echiro elia nyabite yaito to a large extent for a long time I think any county government yale ko beka chiwa siaworo o yale go itumia bune conduit iyo konyora chibesa kiarise ko and other counties chichiro chiaga chire very modern anye omondo jagete foundation ye chire ya na bito megetia makosa kagacha chire kaka because busino mugo issue to wate ne megondo elie anyabite ya wende ko expanded every story building abantu baba bakolivia sara ba which store part of it itigale for parking lakini wana gese ko anyabite ngo sanginga bakolie biasara bange ngo bange de bintu bya along the tarmac road meaning that the space is not there asengenjo ya poor planning. I don't know, there is a committee when they go assist as a Jirelian, the committee never cover. I don't know whether a committee in Takariko come up with the proposals. She say Nature Jirelian go say ne county government, you take over Kachiva, in order, but there's a problem, error. Problem ya matching cover in the modern world, Chichonge say Chitaka match. Anya macha ya go chikora matukande with the church go to make. Yeah. So we still have challenges, but that's why another thing we expected a lot Korea say governor having been a deputy for a long time, na and no mondol exposed. tinta eti goteba uno yo minto nyari gosira goteba nga governor ito ni bwate challenges o governor no muntu ole informed issues siramo aratware ekirawe chingawo chitari related no gotaba informed you see kera abantu bari informed sometimes ngo deliberately ngo fail bari bakora ibintu because either resources chita isaini gosechire resources chire misappropriated. Yeah.
Ndochinga Benson Atunga watching from Doha, Qatar. I support Mr. Jackson Okero Nyanumba nigatia badwana tukubati muroberio wensakia emambia
mono.
All right. Asendo mwachumu Ndizi TV na baranda ko tobuate otera sentira area ya Facebook Ndizi TV News digital asense media YouTube Ndizi TV News watera somtando ito www.ndizitv.net asanda kusanga nere umheshimiwa Jackson Okero Nyanumba emambia yabono asanda tukumulikira amange aliagendrate ime ye county ya Nyamira umheshimiwa kero ko bakuligeria siasa cy'umweshimiwa msiyoveta gagachorwa ime yewoda ya township asengaki yabono turatebanga emirima ndete ya okuga kulia kuga bose eliyogiria gwaka neria oversight yo kwene kinga bamenyibe county ya Nyamira se ward ya township bali ko tukumaega turabeta watego boli mose inkira be okwanera anena mono siasa chiaye chiabono iga.
I think MCO is not talented as a Okwana. That one we give him credit. Lakini Okwana gukwa etara gutumia ase abantu baye positively. Ekiagara tawati ya position. You must be independent as a leader. Te toka nga lero igole na Nyaribo. Mambia igole na Ben kowe chikwanda uchimorogoba osangino kale na arama kowe etani yabo gokale na bosire ekarota etegendo gete kia kurende kirete to ODM kowe skawo jibosio osangi nganole nyamba na nyambati you know igale I think to a certain extent if for his own benefit. Now Tradenga is a smart politician. He pretends to be with these other leaders. Lakini whatever he benefits yako nyakule those leaders ntora kerole se ground ya Aria township. Maybe still na watengaki. That's why some of us tuwa kirete karechukula chiareta tukamwa time for almost 2 years itinda soka sikoko mu criticize ekiara ana chitarabu ngata ya bantu bamintu ninda ete mongegasi they failed inga oinero abakwanya kombwa so I decided kugie como a time mpaka ekaraje te gonje ginje bweka ngakiaja gonje my brother okule kwa mfano my stepmother naru aratu amale Kisi hospital. Obeire discharged. The other side we are also making arrangements chia matanga amumurominto. Na make the effort to attempt koranga kyomongino yako wa discharge ko nyagetari. Sama governor ito ya Kisi ya chiri Nyamira. Simba. Over other issues. No matter in the interest of abantu tomenya takaria, abantu bali township they are rated in one way or the other. One of my MCO ito, kwa mfano, igaro mwana one asenka. My stepmother igale grandmother yae. Momuro minto igale anko yae. Anya momuro minto mo requested buna anko yae nga take advantage ga bananya simba kale gaiga mo kolere kwende aragosena mo discharge not that as a family ya Nyamira ya failure a family ya Nyamira bwata ba mwaka Nyamira bwata bangina 4 as a bangina 4 as a family we work closely even that morning simba goja Kwenye watu wa make arrangements as a family go assist this brother nginaru ali tali nginya gitari. Njewe ko manyane kwenye narule 10,000. Kwenye tuagambire na bantu banyamira bairwe bakisia ewefa ya ruru ya 47,000. My brother is a businessman in town, now what is a landlord. Kwa mfano. Lakini wana nenda kwa tavinga ama MCO ito takes advantage of situations like those ones. Ege ndo mata kole taniki. No kole de gavana ase dukenga gaje tebosio. Bata wangu ngino nyanumbo le gaiga omenyere nyagetaria matuko. Otara wa discharged na arule juu ya sabe discharged. Njenimbo ade my mother taruale. Orojo muntu tenele bosie duka ya yewon. Tro jinga ga ata kwa moro kinga tindi kokonya, lakini as much as they were trying to discharge that same mother of mine from hospital, still they had my money 10,000 in their pocket. I had made my own effort to away for 47. So we had sorted out the issue by 57,000. My brother, ngina rewarded and they were 20,000. Abantu babole them gondo say no matter they become part of the family. Na bara ukanyebe ruengo mu assist wale. But that is now besides the point. That's not the issue now that we discuss igaiga. Lakini nataka ku clarify esa abantu bayo ba minta wange omayenga. Ntocha ebinte vinge ngokora. Tindi ko bibeka ase chinga seti. Mkwara wana wande wakwana kura wande wakale kurukatali and they were somewhere else. Those are some of the people I've assisted. Lakini tindiko ndanachiko tangasanga na kwa nyumonto ke. Ekiara is not my business. Ekiara kwa nyumonto ke so como konya kwa ya trimwa kora. So I have deviated. What was the issue?
Ngana nerito kwanira igoro jobo kole libwa ye asko kwanira amange anemono igoro ya yuabira kwanira ni matinga wikira kwa biru kwilo ni ryaso kugale ya kigima askulendo chinga ebiro ngo benta komnyoka kigima tutamanyenga uchibosiga nkerengere kikwate asensemo ya siasa
omaete as a person njeno mondo ngisane ke zimbo at problem. Ana abantu baminto batagete mbakoreki.
Emeremo.
Mbakorere emeremo. And if they still feel nga ninde in a position inda bakonya. If they can come and request me, maybe I will consider. Otherwise I have no problem. Njibona no mondo kera zimbo ati ndate wana wange bakole school. Tindi korara nchara. That's at the personal level. So some of these things we do, we come out here gokonya abantu baminto. Lakini abantu baminto ko bararenga ningi saine nko wali present one request. I will still consider and to run.
Alinde bono kegere kwa batebanga kwana biru mwalimu kwa rabeire boigo omokoli mermo boiga serikali county area Nyamira boigo mkwa bete kwa merilia asekero kilia yokuligia obo MCA bono tatoro basemi kwao obo mwele gotia ase omo MCA olegeti bono iga orobo semi gotia serikali county na boigo okwane inkwana yo mwele gotia sana nyibe county Nyamira igoro yamangana ndretaro na boigo amagendro askondo taraenda bu Dennis Mokate banga hongera my leader. Yes.
Good. Yamana Somano you is one of the people I've assisted in. Ama MCO ito still has time. Ntota eti korali thorik. Sege songo lende sege kustima eti kitora kebeke. Let us see action on the ground. Like the latest yata watanga mna wachiete amata amajieta ofisina nyalibo wakakuwa na one on one again da kwa na stu lenge the last meeting gelinga bono kora dole chiparaji okoraki chikolema lakini gendo ande tu aralenge lingo irwe obo chibu if so we don't know whether one on one vatu artana nyalibo no bo chibu iba ngo chete kolikia oseneji para okoraki ekiara para jo jinjira alemo egendo kia kole egendo kere individual airwa position patirende abantu ba township had a lot of expectations in him muna babwate se governor because asichikura chake to township 9,000 abantu babwende wakachikura township barenge 15,000 chika ku 9,000 chikura nyoleta chire less than 3,000 meaning nga abantu abange mbali nere lakini rende between me and him chikura twanyoleta nchetaniti half of the 9,000 chiagetwe meaning nga support ya bwate na support imbwate as a township at least nera about 50 na inche nimo sigete. That's why I don't go around the business county criticizing him. Ekarango motevi no korogo motevi ndeta atumie opinion na moire emo assist koranye wodi tubia na ende na motevi tinga anale free consult where it is necessary na ende nyali bolende ko twa support tibu na Asimio era no nyolenga Asimio talenga na nyaliwo but the rest of us tuwalenga na nyaliwo awende ko turangerie meeting kwa mfano ekere wana ginao that nyaliwo ngo mategererale tigabu kinya appointment ni governor yaito some of those candidates were supporting nyaliwo from township ward batendi mukutano tole issues ya bantu baito wa township comprehensively lakini rende that will be discredited ekiara gabana gawanje gukora trojinera bataka advantage kana role the sitting MCA ntundo wa the problem ntuda ete tomo assist ya bantu baito wa township wa benefit because majorly atobwa troja bantu ba mbale wale the township mali township actually is cosmopolitan gebwate everybody from Nyamira town yani Nyamira county. Unfortunately another problem the word ese county yeito abantu mbanje county yeito mbe anjeti why gese twada banga ese budget is about 5 billion echiko anda mesara na recurrent and other things abantu aweto bakanure mesara twashimunga there are no issues to do with corruption. Have they invested within our county? They have not, most of them. Abange baje the Kisii county ya senaja se studio yao na wa invested. Akara wa abange na bawo baragire town ya. Abande bali Kisumu, abande Nairobi, abande Uganda, them Mombasa and what have you. That is, those people, there are no issues to do with corruption. Omondaka no musaro ada make a decision muna some of us. Muna wono mapping my classmate at University of Mintomari, Dunstan. No rochana gacho building in Giasanari. Those investors baga Nyamira anko wapongezi. Lakini our colleagues Nyamira bali bakwakano emesara chiwe asigo cha Nyamira ko Nairobi. What you export outside the county. I think that is a big red down to what they say town here county here in Nyamira. Oshokoboli no nya waboliro wabanyambati. Wabolingo ali township ye bawo criticize investment ya vero onelele. Balitua kinete karake why sometimes we support Nyalivo. A family were the earliest people to invest as a township ward. Chiduka jintanga nikabisa chialenge se police station yele gali wona hiyo. Chialenge chichiango cha Nyalivo na tatu mwabo. So that's why we had a lot of hope na wenda kogere town yitikini lakini finally again tunale como request mune gavana itolende sengenjo tutaite township ikini engineer. I'm talking about township because that is my area. Ekare township ya kinire Nyamira county yego kina anale como request onye Steve Gagoferi kole the branch university within township ward tigabapuki appointment na minister ito we education, we vocational training center. It can equally attract because in some polytechnic kisiga ni maide the population ira attract yakere within township ward. Na one university to kurwanira bagata yanda kyabonyo Rwanda what have you. To shoko twaraga branch yari Nyamira karakini faster than kyabonyo. Because abantu mbanjete asibakonyo residential buildings injira already in town in place. Na under Mount Kenya University the other day over other issues. Ekareji bagoteba peyo is a small space in area of Mondo area. Lakini the university Mount Kenya University mune mune.
Mheshimiwa Singenje biro nabo okoba no yokora simara mambi abona. Yes.
Tikangire liwageli kuwakero yo minto mangimbi amana sogonji kagocha. Na wana lego takukwana n'abantu ba minto mon ba township longer than now. Lakini in the future I hope you will invite me. This was an impromptu invitation in Ngawea. Even the motive kwanga nginji kerete kwa jana mwenyete. Lakini I've come, I've seen your studio, you are doing well. And I wonder ndreko encourage abantu ba minto ba Gusii in Atrach. Watagarire TV ito ya Ndisi TV. Ndojene bwate watangazaji awaya. Na ende babwate welfare y'abagusi at art.
Biamono mheshimiwa soikana na ime studio Ndisi TV mambi yabono.
Asante.
Lero nilitanga nitoba tukumirana. Ase igogo chimuntu iganto betakonyora chinga kikigima. Lero yarenge okwemanyekani introduction. Kwende bono toto soa na kumulikira amange kigima igoro ya Entertainment account Nyamira na boy ward ya township.
Karibu.
Sawa sawa mwanchi kwa Ndisi TV kwa job maangi na niko tobe kusanga nere mheshimiwa Jackson Nyanumba yobera usanga nitwe emambi yabona nabo kumulikira amange anene mono igo doro ya siasa kigendrete ime account Nyamira nabo ensemo ye ward ya township pastor kumulika amange kolende tinkumweba kumwene limbia mono Frida Kerobo zawe kubata nere korwa asemambi yarenge entambe nabo igo Abigail Nyanchama oyone kinga TV wewe na Mariogi abera wekera asenchera yobo ikira ngara kinga kitinde nabagane iriye oboreria obiya imeya Ndisi TV nabwo obwansu bumugusi.
Ndisi TV, obwansu bw'omugusi.